New Samsung Galaxy S23 series rumors have suggested that the battery capacities for the upcoming 3 premium smartphones may not be what fans had hoped for. Apparently, the figure has been confirmed for the Galaxy S23 Plus model, while the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Ultra battery capacities will only be slightly larger than their S22 counterparts. The Galaxy S23 series was rumored to be the first of its kind to launch exclusively with Qualcomm Silicon. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is slated to take full advantage of TSMC's N4 node and boost its Cortex-X3 core to 3.5 GHz, but however, according to the information obtained by Ice Universe, it seems like Samsung doesn't want to kill off Exynos just yet. The leaker posted on WA that Samsung's mobile experience department wants the Galaxy S23 to be an all-Snapdragon endeavor, but a section on Samsung's top brass has disagreed with that sentiment, saying that they want to include Exynos 2300-powered variants by apparently creating a rift in Samsung's upper manage. According to Digital Chat Station on Vivo, the GPU of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is capable of surpassing the Apple's latest A16 chipset on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Actually, he also claimed that a Qualcomm is planning to unveil 2 versions of the Snapdragon Agent 2. The standard one will be a vanilla variant for business with just 3.19 GHz, but there will be a new high-frequency variant with significantly higher clock speeds. The high-frequency model will give around 3.4 to 3.5 GHz of clock speed. Rumors indicated that Samsung is giving the S23 a minor 0.15mm increase in its dimensions. This probably ties in with the battery rumor and could mean that the company is set to make some small adjustments to fit in a slightly larger battery. The report on the Galaxy S23 mentions that Samsung could be using a stacking technology, where the inner material of the battery would apparently be stacked up layer by layer, like a staircase, to expand the capacity of small pouch-type batteries. Samsung has applied for a couple more trademarks pertaining to flexible display technology, or more specifically slidable devices. 2 new applications by Samsung Display have emerged at Kypros, Korea Intellectual Property Rights Information Service, and they secure the Slidable Flex Solo and Slidable Flex Duet monitors. Samsung showcased slidable device concepts at Display Week earlier this year, and one prototype was tentatively called Slidable Wide. The new Slidable Flex Duet trademark may be associated with this concept, but it's difficult to predict how Samsung's foldable display portfolio will change and evolve in the coming years. Let me have your opinion about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. With that being said, I'll see you the next video. Peace out.